Hi guys, we're doing an experiment on how long a balloon, which liquid can protect the balloon the most. We're doing milk, soda, water, vinegar, and orange juice. They all come out of the fridge equally, and they're all at equal temperature. They have different densities. We're trying to see which ones will be the safest for which one will prevent the balloon from popping the release. We're going to light this candle and fill the balloon with the chosen liquid, and then inflate it, and keep it hovering above the candle for about 30 seconds, and then we'll measure the circumference of the charcoal left on the underside. Okay, we're starting with milk first.
How much are we doing?
With 1/4 cup each time. There we go.
Slow.
Dad is blowing up the balloon right now. You broke off the tip?
It broke, yes.
Is it fine? Will it be okay otherwise?
Yeah. Just a bit. You don't know when.
We're cutting this out. Okay, we're going to try this experiment. With 1/4 cup each time, we're going to this funnel. My dad's blowing it up right now. Hopefully he won't break it.
Or maybe he will.
Okay, we're gonna do this experiment a 3rd time. Each balloon will be filled with 1/4 cup of milk. Or liquid. Hopefully it will work. My dad's blowing it up. Hopefully it won't explode.
Cross your fingers.
Catherine, you're not into this. You're not in on this. So what do we do when we run out of balloon?
Does we have to be more careful?
Correction, you have to be more careful.
Yeah, I know.
Are you kidding me? We're going to do this for the 4th time.
See, I'll kind of get right over it. I'll manage it. If I can.
Hopefully this won't fall apart instantaneously. Okay, let's light this up.
Wait a minute. Gotta give it a timer now. Right there. Okay, go. I don't hear it click. Can I see?
I was holding down both of the things.
You get my watch, ready?
Go.
There we go. Spend it to 60 seconds.
Did you never sit for me at the bottom?
I think it needs to be closer. Or longer.
Maybe do this.
Teddy, we need to vary.
Oh. See a few burn marks on there.
Let's go 60 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready. Take away the flame. Huh? No, take away the flame. Very little. Wait, keep it.
From.
Full time. See what we need to get a measurable amount, right? Because it's a very tiny amount.
Hey, going out and face the danger here. See a little scorch mark.
Okay, now it's counting on 2 minutes. Let's check.
Okay.
Let's do 3 minutes and see how that holds up. Okay.
See a little scorch mark. Maybe it needs to be like touching the fire.
It almost is. It's just a centimeter above it.
That or milk is just that resilient.
That could be. Do you think milk is higher density or lower density than water?
Well, I think a higher density.
Higher density, yes. There is a measurable effect.
But on the other
We're going to
side, water
start.
can.
Take away the candle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So there is the scorch mark that we're going to measure after we pop it. What's next?
Okay, now we're doing the soda.
What kind of soda do you have?
Coke Zero.
Okay.
Then it remains some drinking. Fine.
Don't try chemistry experiments. Okay. Are you ready for our new experiment?
Hopefully this one will have will go more smoothly.
Slowly, please.
They wouldn't be surprised if it blew up in your face.
I don't get mine out. It goes in the tray. So far, so good.
Thank goodness.
Even tied it on the first try.
And the piano teacher says you can't, the best way to learn something is to put a comedic spin on it.
Right. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, let me get my timer going. Wait.
Too big touching the candle. Okay, we're trying it with soda. Gonna have a really funny bloopers reel if we decide to use it. Balloon, the finest thing to drink out of.
Trying to not make it too big. Also, actually physically touch.
Here, now.
Why are you standing way over there?
Because I don't want it to pop.
Okay, go for it. Remember how? Interest?
How come I can't do it?
So you hit watch. Instead of what we did before.
I'm gonna go all the way back here in case it explodes. Okay, so I'm standing a few feet back so it won't explode.
You haven't got wet yet. Uh-oh.
That is
It's
weird.
leaking. The
That is
balloon.
weird. That is gross and weird. And awesome. All the custard cups are done?
Oh, different.
Oh,
They're
this is on here.
just around, just
I got
enough.
it.
Just the right amount?
I was using it to organize because
Alright.
Okay, we're trying this for another time. Are we recording? Let's do this. We got new balloons. Be sure not to blow it up too big. That's good. Here's the clip.
Open it wider if you can.
Well, that screws our chances. I will be doing a little experiment here. I will be holding this balloon over a lit candle with various liquids in it and see how long they can hold up. We have milk, water, vinegar, orange juice, and soda right here. All of them are of equal temperature, and we shall be using a quarter cup each. We're trying to determine the density by measuring the charcoal left on the balloon. Okay, we've got the milk here. Funnel in. There we go. Tie it. Before something happens. Shoot, won't work. Off. That's fine. Okay.
Just the candle.
And lighting this one 3 at 2. Dang it.
Both together.
And pressing both together.
One, and then while keeping one belt, flip the other.
That's what I'm doing.
Hold this in. Keep it hold down.
How do you... Whatever. I'm not taking any chances after the last 2 times.
How many inches away from the flame is that?
3.
Centimeters. Be more accurate in centimeters. Don't breathe on his face.
5.
No, I'm talking about the flame of the tip to the balloon. It's about 2 centimeters. That's what I can tell. needs to be a little higher. Okay, now it's about 1 centimeter, or 1.5 centimeters from the balloon. Anything yet on the bottom? Is that a no? The tip is almost touching.
It's fizzling a bit. Okay, now we're doing this with water. There we go. Fourth count. Funnel. There we go.
Got the clamp? Take the clamp. Clamp it right here. Now.
That's perfect.
That's a little
Farther away.
so let's touch press the green on the wall. Teddy, my watch. Here.
Okay, keep it steady. In case you're wondering, we switched candles because the other one refused to work after the first experiment. There's milk on it. Almost for 2 minutes. It's almost for 2 minutes.
What did the other one take?
3 minutes and 12 seconds.
So it's going to be similar. I think. How long is it?
3 minutes and 3.5 seconds. 3.5 minutes.
Might have. Is there some color on the balloon now?
I can feel a little.
Okay.
I always do water. Water would be a tough one. Water can take time. High temperature, time after temperature. High temperatures before it can even change the temperature itself.
Good time.
4 minutes.
We should start with 4 minutes. We should be out.
Now we're doing Coca-Cola, Coke Zero to be specific. Rubber balloon. Dips in the soda if this goes smoothly on the first try.
Soda on the face. You want it to pop. Whoa, too fast. We're going to do that over.
Now we're doing it with Coke Zero. Try to do it slowly this time.
What the rest You have an inch near your ear. Okay.
Well, that's kind of warm.
Well, oh, it's above a flame.
Perfect.
You ready to start? Okay. Go.
2, 1, go. Max will be 4 minutes.
The maximum, right? So what do you think? Will it go to the max or in Coke?
Considering what happened last time, I don't think it'll reach full last for the 4 minute mark.
You think so? Okay, we'll find out. So far, water is the king.
I was kind of expecting that, to be honest.
How come?
Because it's water.
Okay.
It can absorb high temperatures without changing the temperature itself.
Well, it does change temperatures, but it has a high boiling point. What do you think vinegar would do? Or orange juice?
Vinegar? Vinegar.
Vinegar.
I don't know.
Would it be better than water or worse than water?
Probably less.
Or less than water?
Probably less, a lot less than water.
What's our time?
About 2 minutes.
What time?
About 3 minutes. Going to be 3 minutes. Yep, 3 minutes.
Is there any brown or charcoals on it?
I don't know.
Any burnt marks so far in the
Yeah, little burnt mark.
What is it, 4 minutes? Are you watching? For 4 minutes.
Almost there. It's in the 350 mark. Oh, in the 340, almost 350, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. More minutes.
4 minutes. Okay.
Now we're doing it with orange juice. And is it pasteurized and with never from concentrate, pure squeeze, no pulp. I want to get the facts in.
Yep. No pulp.
Use it a bit.
Absolutely.
Can't wait till we try vinegar. Hopefully there won't be any vinegar explosion.
You ready? Up it here. How much? What did you hit the cream?
And now.
Okay. Get a little closer. It wasn't perfect, but it was better.
It's a waste of soda if you just throw the rest in the sink.
No, we're just gonna put the rest in the fridge, not the thing. I think there's about 1 centimeter
Mm-hmm.
from the flame.
Less from the flame or how tall the flame is?
Between the balloon and the flame.
Mm.
So the Coke went to the full 4 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think the orange juice is going to do?
I don't know.
So far the only one that broke through the balloon was milk.
It looks so limp. We're past a minute. Say that would be at 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
Okay.
Now.
It's over half. I noticed that the last two we did around the 3-minute mark, it started turning colors.
You did?
Yeah, the last two balloons. About 3 minutes it started turning. You know, had some coloring on the balloon.
After minutes.
Maybe orange juice is stronger, I don't know. Let's see.
No scorch mark left yet. Almost there. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Convenient, I looked just as it was going a minute ago. White distilled vinegar. Used for pickling stuff. Remember those deep fried Oreos that we had in that farmer's market once?
You want to talk about deep fried Oreos right now?
Yeah, but
Something reminded you of it?
yeah, when I said that vinegar can pickle stuff. I don't know, and that made me think of different other types of other methods of cooking. Then I remember the deep fried Oreos. I wonder why I haven't been to the farmer's market anymore.
Oh, it's right down its indoor. Do you think you can grow anything out there?
What? Oh, maybe. We should just have some patience and confidence.
Okay.
just have a little patience and confidence. Maybe a plant or two might grow there. Just maybe. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, this is vinegar. Other than smelling like time to cover for Easter eggs, what do you think's gonna happen?
No. Pickle the rubber.
You think it would melt? Do you think it'll go to the 4 minutes, or do you think it'll go under 4 minutes?
Probably won't last very long. And I don't know much about vinegar. Only that our vinegar is expired.
It is?
It says best by 9/9/13.
Okay, that's a few months old, yeah.
Expired in September. Can't wait till spring.
What's in spring? That you would want to wait for.
Well, wearing shorts.
Cooler or warmer weather.
Warmer weather. School will be almost over.
So what are we at?
We're minute 35.
The last 3 showed some color right after the 3-minute mark, so we'll probably
Well,
need
we're at 2 minutes and 20 seconds right now.
probably do the same here, although the orange juice seem to be.
Yep, 2 minutes 20. Almost 3-minute mark. See anything?
Not really.
3 minutes. Oh, we might actually get through this without an explosion.
Oh, that was no fun. Well, we had enough explosions last time.
We're gonna have a great blooper reel. Good measure, probably put in a Mario version of a blooper for like blooper reel splat.
So what's the time now?
3:40.
Keep an eye on the clock. It's at 4 o'clock.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 minutes. Wow, stopped exactly on 4 minutes.